Whop. Killed it. Killed 2 E's. Now we're gonna hide the screws with D. Just fold on. Look. Whoop. Whop. Zip. Bam. Boom. Whop. There it is again. Look at this. Now we're gonna put this piece on the little what's the name thingy. Slide these in. Super simple. Hold it. Tighten it. Make sure it's right. Put the other one in. There we go. There we go. Yep. Now slide. Put these pieces. Yeah. It's easy. Not hard. You can tell. You can tell. Look. Boom. Super simple. Look good. Don't it? I can tell. Look at this. Now, bruh, how the fuck I'm at the park in the snow and there's been about 5 cars back here already? Why is everybody out here just in the snow too, man? Everybody's trying to get the fuck on. Hold up. Oh God, Mustang came back here and did donuts, bro. That was just one of them days, I guess. But look, they ain't say it in what's her name? I guess I moved too fast, but we're gonna pop this piece on too. Go on the top, do that bop, whip, wop. Too easy, too fast. Look, now the bottom piece gonna go on. You got this cord that's gonna pop in it. So the best thing to do is pop it in. Boom. Now pop it in this piece. Oop. I could have went under top of that, but I don't know why I did that. I don't know why the fuck did I do that. Must have been a good song going. I was jamming. Look, now we're gonna put these screws in. I'll be right back. Let me find it real quick. I must have stuck to some shit somewhere. Let me see. Alright, now look. Here we go. Boom. We're gonna pop this in. Boom. Now we're gonna pop this in. 4 screws. Start at the bottom. Make sure it's even, flush, good. Flat. Boom. Bruh, that nigga about to go have a picnic in the snow. Oh shit. I wish I could put the camera on this. But anyway, we're gonna pop this around. Boom. Out the way. Now we're gonna put this little extender piece. Just lift it up a little higher. Right here. Look. Open that up. That fast. See that? See it? Like magic. Look, here we go. Put the dials in. Boom. This piece gonna go on top of this piece. Right here. Like this. Boom. Then there's 2 different screws in the bottom. So I throw them in, hold it. Then there's 2 different ones on the top. So you can slide those in now. Boop. Boop. Since it's already in place. Boop. Make sure it's even up since I turned it up. Now we're gonna pop this on 2 bottoms. Zoop. Zoop. Real fast. Now, read some more. Flip it over. Now we're gonna put this piece on the side. It's gonna have to, you gotta make sure the dials and the screws fit like this. Cause it needs the sliding piece. You know, it gotta go up a little bit. There it is. There it told you. There, now, put them in, start it off. Bruh. There you go. Now, start it off. There you go. Boom. Now, since those right, make sure it's tight. Cause you have to wiggle it a little bit. I seen that. Now this gonna go on the top like this, cause it connect. Whop that in. Zip. Now we're gonna need another one. Zip. Seen that before. Now the side piece. Make sure that slide in. Whop. Just like that. This one gonna be like this. Have to make sure it seem right, cause we're gonna put this one on. They have to take it off, cause they ain't gonna have to take it off, put it back on. But so we're gonna pop this in, hold it right, put the screws in. That way, no it ain't gonna fall. Zip that in like that. Whoop. Zip. Read some more. Then get the screws. The screw cover. Yeah, make sure it's only them 2. Cause we're gonna need the other ones to screw it up top. Pop them in, right? Nah, hold on. Now, we gonna pop these in, zip, make sure it's even. Nah, I forgot this one part right here. I unloosen it, pop that one in, cover those back up. Now this one good. Zip, pop it in, cover it. Look, for some reason, man, the instruction was skipping the part. But I got it. I figured it out. Look. No. Here go the hard part again. Who gonna help me lift this, bro? Okay, look. You can see clearly. It slipped in, but that front part was a little bit tucked in front, right? You see the line of wood? So I had to lift this motherfucker again. Watch this, man. I was so mad. I was like, look at it. Ain't that about a bit? Okay, I got this, though. Check it out. Lift it up a little bit. Push it up. Push it up. And then, wow, there it is. Perfect. Just like candy. Nah, full screw, know how to go. Fast forward, up, put it on the other side, make sure it started. Then zip, zip, boom, bam. Real fast and easy. 15 minutes and then shit part 2, bro. So let me show you. Look. Now we gonna slide this back. Now I'm gonna grab the camera and show you. Look at this. Who got first? I'm telling you, bro. Who's your favorite character on this game? Put it in the comments, cause I'm going with Scorpio. You know what I'm saying? Now watch out. Game time. Uh huh.